Greetings from the road. It's Freighter Jim. I'm in the main showroom, Showroom 1 at the Volo Family Museum, your family museum in Volo, Illinois. I'm showing you the floor because they just spent a great deal of time and energy and resources to grind this down and resurface it. This is just one other way that they reinvest in the car sales portion. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? We'll show you what's in the showroom here. These cars you see here, they're all for sale. Here's the office of J. Grams, the buyer. One of 5 generations of the Grams family. Greg just came back from an auction. We're going to tool around, see what's going on. Here's Brenda's office, another Grams family member. But look at that floor. Isn't that just beautiful? I dare say you could eat off that floor. So here's just part of the current inventory. So exclusive today, post on my timeline. If you post on my timeline by 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, I'm going to pick one person who's posted on my timeline. I'm going to give you a free annual membership to the Volo Museum. You can upgrade that to, I'm giving a free individual membership. You can upgrade that to family museum membership. All you gotta do is post on my timeline. But I'm paying for this, not the Grams family or Volo Auto Sales. It's because I like this place and I think you need to come down and visit, and I hope you join and get a membership. So again, to get your free individual annual membership, just post on my timeline. I'm only giving one away. See something you like? Give them a call. Remember, you have until 10 p.m. tonight, Eastern Standard Time. Make a post on my timeline. If I choose you, you get a free annual individual membership. You can upgrade it to family membership if you want. But this is the main showroom floor. I spent about a week leveling off the floor, putting a new surface on. It's quite a lot of work. But again, they constantly are reinvesting in the car business, and all the profits from that, after expenses, go over and fund the museum, which is family themed. 39 permanent exhibits. The 40th one, the Titanic exhibit, is being developed right now. Will open in the spring of next year. It features the only other Renault in existence that is the twin to the car that went down on the RMS Titanic. Let's take a look at this car. Let's see what we got here. How about a 68 Plymouth GTX? Isn't that a beaut? What do we got here? Got a Roadrunner, 68 Plymouth Roadrunner. Got a Thunderbird. Got a Lincoln here. Want a six-pack car? They got one. Here's a Super Bee. Want an Impala? Here's one for you. Here's a 66 Chevelle SS. How about a GTO? Here's a 69. Triple black. Isn't that pretty? How about a Z28? And here's a beautiful 59 Chevy Bel Air. Look at that. The selection of cars is always changing. Always. Here's a 69 Trans Am. How about an SS 396? This is interesting. Here's a 67 Shelby Pro Touring. Got the roll bar there. That's kind of nice. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up. Volo Auto Sales. Give them a call. Here's an SS. We'll end on this. It's a 1930 Ford Model A. VoloCars.com. Give them a call, 815-385-3644. Remember, you have until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Post on my timeline that you'd like a chance to win a year annual membership for an individual that you can upgrade to a couple or a family. Freighter Jim, reminding you, winters in full strength in some parts of the country. Drive safe, arrive alive. Call one of these guys. Buy a car. The proceeds from the sale after expenses go back into the museum. The Volo family has been operating since 1960, 5 generations. You can't go wrong. Have a great weekend.